The frequency of COVID-19 cases in the Hardap region, notably Rehoboth, increased exponentially since 25th January this year. Tests were conducted over 3 weeks with 298 samples analyzed, 36 of which were positive. Ministry of Health and Social Services Executive Director Ben Nangobe confirmed the cases at one of the schools, Dr. Lemmer High School, as a cluster of illnesses. Furthermore, he emphasized that these occurrences are limited to the town of Rehoboth and that those learners who have been affected are in isolation in their respective hostels.
From the 25th of January, we observed an uptick of cases in the Hardap region, specifically in the town of Rehoboth, and again more at the Dr. Lemmer High School at that town. From that time to Friday last week, we tested about 298 samples and 36 of them came out positive. So we are talking about a cluster of infections at that particular school. There are also a few cases from other schools in the town, but it must be emphasized that these cases are all restricted to or localized to the town of Rehoboth. But out of abundance of caution, we have gone and as a ministry, working together with the Ministry of Education, to activate the preventive measures so that we don't see an increase in the number of infections. So those that were infected have been isolated effectively, mainly to the hostels, and we are working with the education authorities to ensure that this isolation serves the intended purpose.
Nangobe stated that though the number of COVID-19 cases has been increasing, no severe cases or deaths have been reported. Nangobe also stated that there is a 100% recovery rate with no hospitalization. He indicated that there is no evidence of a new strain and that the only previously known strain, Omicron variation, has been discovered in the district. Moreover, he added that COVID-19 has been declared as an event of non-public concern.
Also that although the number of cases that we have reported has been going up, there has been no hospitalization, there has been no death reported according to the statistics that we have, and we are continuing to monitor the situation. Much as we have declared that the COVID-19 pandemic is no longer an event of public health concern.
Nangobe stated that patients who recover from the virus are released back into the community. He urged members of the community to be cautious and adhere to the prescribed rules of COVID-19. He further said that the community can be at ease because these confirmed cases are localized only to a particular town.
The cases that have recovered are released to back in the community because as long as the person has recovered, they are no longer symptomatic, there is no threat to the larger community. We must continue to be cautious because we don't want to see increased number of infections in the community. Again, I think the community can be at ease in a sense that these are cases that are restricted and localized to a particular place.